Hello, welcome to Gardener's World and welcome to my garden. This is a new chapter for Gardener's World, but obviously it's my home. And we've been here 20 years, and my wife Sarah and I have made this garden from scratch during that period. Now, I love it, and I hope that as you get to know it better, you'll get as much pleasure from it as I do every single day. Joining me this year will be old friends Carol Klein, Rachel DeTame, and Joe Swift. Each week, Carol will be visiting some of the best gardens that are open to the public and finding lots of seasonal inspiration. This week, she's visiting the Winter Garden at Anglesey Abbey, which is at its best right now.
The whole place is fluffy and feminine. It's absolutely lovely.
Joe and Rachel will be travelling the country, offering advice and a helping hand to fellow gardeners. This week, they're in Dorchester, tackling unruly clematis and an overgrown pond.
Oh, that's looking good, Joe.
Yeah, get in there, get in there.
Oh, lovely. And he hasn't fallen in yet.
But I'll always be here at Longmeadow, working and looking after the garden just as I have done for the last 20 years.